I would have rearranged the veins in the face to make them more resistant to alcohol and less prone to aging. If I had been God, I would have sired many sons, and I would not have suffered the Romans to kill even one of them. If I had been God, with my staff and my rod, if I had been given the nod, I believe I could have done a better job. And if I were a drone, patrolling foreign skies, with my electronic eyes for guidance and the element of surprise, I would be afraid to find someone whole. Maybe a woman at a stove, baking bread, making rice, or just boiling down some bones. If I were a drone, the temple's in ruins, the bankers get fat, the buffalo's gone, and the mountaintop's flat. The trout in the streams are all hermaphrodite. You lean to the left, but you vote to the right, and it feels like deja vu. The sun goes down, and I'm still missing you. Counting the cost of the love that got lost, and under my Gulf Stream in circular poles, there's 99 cents worth of drunkards and fools. some cold tomorrow finds you, when some sad old dream reminds you how the endless road unwinds you. While you see a chance, take it. Find romance, break it, because it's all on you. Don't you know by now, no one gives you anything? Don't you wonder how you keep on moving? One more day your way. Oh, your way. When there's no one left to leave you, even you don't quite believe you, that's when nothing can deceive you. While you see a chance, take it. Find romance, break it, because it's all on you. Stand up in a clear blue morning until you see what can be alone in a cold day dawning. Are you still free? Can you be? And that old grey wind is blowing, and there's nothing left worth knowing, and it's time you should be going. When you see a chance, take it. Find romance, break it, because it's all on you. While you see a chance, take it. Find romance. While you see a chance, take it. Find romance. While you see a chance, take it. Find romance. While you see a chance, take it. Find romance. While you see a chance, take it. Find romance. While you see a chance, take it.
At the third stir, it will be 11:25.
British Broadcasting Corporation. At the third in north, it will be 8:55 precise. Otherwise variable 4. Mainly northerly in southeast.
A Happy New Year to you.
At the third stroke, it will be 11:25 precisely.
Good night, everyone.
Lie with me now. Under lemon tree skies, show me the shy, slow smile you keep hidden by warm brown eyes. Catch the sweet hover of lips just barely apart, and wonder And I dreamed I was saying goodbye to my child. She was taking a last look at the sea. Wading through dreams up to our knees in warm ocean swells, while bathing bells soft beneath hard-bitten shells punch their iPhones, erasing the numbers of redundant lovers, and search the horizon.